I still remember when you said goodbye. Your voice was shaking, but your eyes were dry. I thought we'd fight for what we used to be, but now I see you're done with loving me.
You always blame me for the way things went, but never asked about the tears I spent. I gave you chances that you threw away, and now you wonder why I couldn't stay.
We're standing here like strangers in the rain, trying to forget, but holding on to pain. You say you miss me, I say I miss you too, but missing someone's not enough to make it through. I know I made mistakes along the way, but every night I wish you'd come back and stay. The empty house reminds me of your laugh, and how we used to dream about our past.
You think I left because I stopped caring, but I was drowning while you kept on staring at everything except what we became. Two broken hearts just playing the same game.
We're standing here like strangers in the rain, trying to forget, but holding on to pain. You say you miss me, I say I miss you too, but missing someone's not enough to make it through. Tell me why we're here again, talking like we could be friends, when we both know how this ends. Neither one of us can bear. Standing here like strangers in the rain, trying to forget, but holding on to pain. You say you love me, I say I love you too, but loving someone's not enough to make it through. Guess this is our last goodbye. I guess some things are meant to die.